Welcome to World of Kinyo. We are in the island of Southern Cape Verde, and tonight we are staying in the Hotel RIU Funana. This video is going to show you everything that you need to know about the room in this hotel. The Hotel RIU Funana has more than 550 rooms spread across 6 blocks, 5 minutes away from the pool, 10 minutes away from the beach. The room entry is via a card, which is also used to operate the lights and the air conditioning in the room. There's also a full-length wall mirror in the room for you to get ready in the evenings, and also a little unit where you can unpack your luggage. Just above the luggage unit, there's a wall-mounted TV with various channels. The room has 2 single beds pushed together to form a double, very comfy mattresses. On one side of the bed, there's a single plug socket, which is European style with the 2 rounded pins. On the other side of the bed, there's a USB socket and a telephone. Leading off from the bedroom, there's the bathroom, with a large mirror in the sink, and there's also a hairdryer and a plug socket. Still in the bathroom, there's a wardrobe with plenty of storage, and there's also a safe with a 4-digit PIN code, and wide enough to store a 16-inch laptop. At the other end of the room, there's a small living area, where we have a small sofa with 2 seats and a coffee table. There's a chest of drawers with 6 drawers and ample space, a kettle for tea and coffee, and also a directory for all the bars and restaurants. In the balcony, there are 2 chairs and a coffee table where you can enjoy your chilled evenings. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and you also want to know more about the RIU Cabo Verde and the RIU Funana, please check the other videos on my channel.